Hi friends, my name is Naveen Daga and welcome to my channel Mutual Fund Shop. My video today is going to interest my fellow distributors, especially who works with DSP Mutual Fund. We are in the verge of new financial year and as a distributor, our focus is to get continued business from our existing clients and also acquire new ones. Talking about the existing clients, I can remember my star investors on my fingertips, but the ones which are not so active get missed out. Today I am going to share interesting features in DSP IFA Express that I personally found very useful to get allocations from my less frequent investors. This feature is called Filters. It is placed under Investors tab in IFA Express. Filter is a facility through which I can generate a list of my investors who meet one or more criteria. For example, in current holding, who have or don't have a particular fund or a group of funds in their portfolio. Systematic plan, who have or don't have an SIP or STP running. Investment activity, who had purchased, redeemed or switched any one or more funds up to last 3 years. The more targeted my filters, the better I can customize my sales pitch for investment and reach out the most relevant clients. This not only improves my ROI of time and efforts, but also improves client experience because now I can personalize my offering easily. Let me show you one of the usage of filter I have used for choosing clients for tax saving fund. Say my objective is to reach to such clients who have purchased tax saver fund in past but have been somehow inactive in last 2 years. My pitch to these clients will be different than my other clients. I am opening filters from Investors tab. First I go to Investor Activity, apply the filter that gives me a list of investors who have not purchased DSP Tax Saver Fund in the last 2 years. So basically I am looking for my inactive clients. Then I go to Current Holdings, apply another filter on the top of existing filter. This gives me list of investors who have existing holdings in DSP Tax Saver Fund in their portfolio. Thus I get my final list which includes clients who hold tax saver fund in their portfolio but not active lately. So you can see I started with hundreds of investors and in the end was left with less than 15-20. Finally, filters help me to find new prospect within my client list that will give me a new sale, and now I can customize my pitch for these clients which will increase the chances of getting the best results of my efforts. For more information, contact your DSP Mutual Fund Relationship Manager and hope this video is useful. I'll return with another interesting digital concept soon.